Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. So I'm here at a project designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape in Lakewood, California, and I wanted to show you what the garden looks like after it's been installed. But before I do that, I make videos about California native plants, drought-tolerant landscapes, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button below. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so I'll have a link to my business website in the description of the video. So, let me turn this camera around. Alright, so this is the project. Took a week-ish to install. It looks so beautiful. I'm just in love with this house. I love using brick as a hardscape material, which I don't get to do often. So, this brick path and the front porch was existing, done by the previous homeowners, as was all the boulders that you see here. So what we did, since we had to work with that, was take the brick and extend it out to the parkway, which made more sense for walkability, and then add a path that goes from essentially from there to there to there to there. And we did a mixture of natural gray concrete and brick because those were the two materials existing that we had to work with. So in this parkway, we put in Galvasia speciosa. We didn't put too many plants just because we didn't want cars, as you park your car in the parkway and you open and close your door, we didn't want there to be too many plants in the way of people getting out of their cars. So there'll still be sufficient room for them to get around in between the plant material. The other plants that we used in this project are Calliophis hartwigii, Sundrops, Ceanothus concha, Salvia clevelandii hapatul, Penstemon, I believe it's Penstemon baccherifolius, and some red yucca. Now, the husband and wife in their previous home, this is their downsized home, had a native garden, so they knew what to expect and they wanted to mimic the native look here. Some penstemon here with some hapatula in the back. This is mainly for trash can access. I think it just looks so beautiful. Here we put some hapatul, Cleveland sage. It'll get about 3 to 4 by 3 to 4 feet, and it will just perfume the space so nicely. So as they're sitting here, they'll be able to enjoy the scent of it. And then the strawberry tree was existing, Arbutus marina. We added 2 lights highlighting the strawberry tree. We also added some path lights and 1 light highlighting this arrangement. Back here, we didn't need accessibility to the backyard from here, so we just put some Ceanothus concha and just kind of let it do its thing. Put in brand new bender board to separate this property from the neighbor's grass. I mean, it looks really nice. Phase 2, which I'll make a separate video about, is that in here and on the other side, we're going to put pottery. And the purpose of the pottery, other than being decorative and looking nice, is that it'll prevent you from falling over. So as you're standing there, the pottery will kind of block you from falling over. We could have put a fence, but I felt, and the client agreed, that pottery would be more decorative, etc. So, yeah. This project is really cool. And of course, the one thing that we do have to contend with, hold on, let me back up and show you, is the neighbor's massive pine tree. unfortunately, that can't be changed. But hey, we work with what we have and we work with what we've got. There will be more videos coming soon to the YouTube channel, so if you're not subscribed, you should consider subscribing. There'll be some vlogs, some day in the lives, kind of a bit more behind the scenes of my business content and various other types of content.